How to add food in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. Then you have to click on it, search for a food, write the food which you want to eat here and want to add to your food. Like select any of the meal and according to your calories here. You can see here at the top that there is a arrow here. You have to click on it, and this way you can see food logged. It means that your food is added in your chart. Now click on it, and at the bottom you can see diary. Click on it. You can see here your food is added to your schedule. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.